Take a ride in the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers, and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.